I'm so excited that this box came today. I'm surprised it was delivered not only on a Sunday, but also on Easter Sunday. It is a little doll that I ordered for myself for my birthday, and I was hoping it would be here by my birthday, but it actually came on Sunday, Easter Sunday. So I'm very excited, and I'm just dying to get into this box. Okay, here is the doll I ordered. Her name is Rune, and I'm actually going to use that as her last name. I have a couple of first names that I am considering, and I might get you guys to help me decide on that, but let me just open her up. And I already have another outfit to change her into quickly. But she is made by an independent doll maker named Isabel Anderson. She created this doll. It's two different versions of this doll. They look the same. They just have on different clothes. A nice reusable box for her accessories. You can see she has blue hair. But she has a very unique face, and so that's why I was interested in her, because, you know, I like dolls that are not the same as every other doll in the world. I like different dolls, and so alright, I'll put that back in her box so that it's there, but her box can be reused. Now, she's not articulated, but, you know, Peteena, my favorite little doll, she is not articulated either. I do like articulated dolls where the arms bend and the legs bend and hips and, you know, all that kind of stuff. I do like dolls like that, but, you know, sometimes dolls aren't made that way, and that's okay. Like I said, Peteena is, you know, my favorite doll, and she's not articulated. So I got this little girl. She is, let me see how tall she is. She is about 9.5, a little less than 10 inches. And so I'm thinking she's going to be the same size as Peteena, so she'll be a good little friend for her. But I'm going to see if you can see her face. She just has a very unique look. Her eyes, her droopy little eyes and mouth, and those bushy eyebrows. So she is made to be about like a 17-year-old girl. Is what the creator had in mind. I don't know what age I will. I'm going to think of her as about the same age as Peteena. And, you know, I've never really even thought about what age Peteena is. I mean, she is 58 years old. She's 50, yeah, she was, you know, she's old. But I don't use her as that age. Yeah, Peteena was made in 1966. This little girl was actually made in, I believe, maybe 2021 or 2, maybe, I don't know, somewhere right up in there. So she's been out a few years. I've just never been able to get her. I've admired her, and there was only like 200 of her made, and so I've just been admiring her. But I decided, you know, I'm just going to do something for myself for my birthday. And if you don't treat yourself, who's going to, right? So that's what I did. Her hair is very pretty. So shiny and soft. Like I said, her arms do not bend. But that's okay. I knew that before I bought her. Her legs do bend. And I want to see how she sizes up with Peteena. size-wise. So come here, Peteena. Oh my goodness, they are so close in size. Like they will be best buddies, I believe. Now Peteena's head is larger than little Rune's, but yeah, that's fine. They're about the same height, and that is cool. Okay, so Rune she's not like other dolls, and she has a different shape to her body. I can't get that off yet, but anyway, so I do have some shoes that my little buddy Zeke printed, 3D printed for me. The lady who sells her, after I bought her, I spoke to her on Instagram maybe, and then she offered to send me the 3D, I can't get the Ziploc bag open. She offered to send me the file if I had a way to 3D print shoes for her, because she has a very odd shaped foot. And so I told her yes, that I think my little neighbor boy could do that. So he did. So far he has printed me 3 pair of these shoes. I still got to sand them. They have some rough spots on them. So I'm going to take a fingernail file and sand them, and then paint them different colors to go with different outfits. So I'm anxious to see if they do fit her. But I know that they're supposed to. But anyway, so it's really ripped up pants. I'm not into that style, but a lot of people are. I just don't like it for myself. I feel like I'm a little too old to be wearing ripped up pants. but you know, a lot of people do, and they can style them, you know, real cute and stuff. So anyway, so yeah, that is the doll I got for my birthday. I'm actually getting 3 dolls for my birthday. One that I purchased here myself, another one that I did order for myself, and then one that Big Daddy got me. So this is the first of them that I've opened. So cute. I'm so glad she's here. I'm so glad she's made it home where she will live forever. But she does have a I hope she can share some clothes with Peteena, but Peteena's hips are much wider than hers, but hers are definitely wider than a Barbie doll's, and then Peteena's is wider than hers. But and Peteena seems to be a little more thicker through the chest, even though she doesn't have breasts. This little girl does, but she's not as thick, I don't believe, through the chest area. But I still believe they can share a lot of clothes and stuff like that. So anyway, this is Rune. She will be popping up on my Instagram, and I'm excited about that. So I wanted to see if you guys wanted to help me pick out a name for Rune. Okay, so she's Rune, and you know, this is Peteena. So they're going to be like, you know, best buddies and doing stuff together and all that kind of stuff. Well, I kind of want Rune to be her last name and give her a first name. And so I am considering, these are the names I'm considering. Wren, W-R-E-N. So it would be Wren Rune. Also Larue. Larue Rune. I do know somebody named Larue. Actually, it's their surname, and so I just thought Larue Rune sounds kind of cool. Then there's the name Cyan, which is this color blue right here, C-Y-A-N, Cyan. Let's see, what else? I considered Juniper, Zephyr, and Azure, which is also another blue name. So that's the names I'm considering. Let me go back over them. Cyan, Larue, Wren. I also even considered Phoenix, Juniper, or Zephyr, and Azure. So that's a lot of names there to pick from. And so, what would you vote for her name to be? I'm kind of leaning towards Wren or Larue. I like Zephyr and Juniper. And then Cyan and Azure, I just threw in there because they're kind of blue. They're blue names. Anyway, can't wait to see what you guys vote for. Okay, so I'm going to give you a little backstory about Rune here. The creator did create her with a little story that I'm not going to go with that little story because it's just not a storyline I want to follow. Now, I do not give power to objects at all. No kind of way. So this is a powerless doll. She's just a doll. And just because somebody made up a little story about her doesn't mean anything to me. So she is called Rune, the little witch doll. And, you know, she's just a doll. I don't give power to objects. That's crazy. So anyway, like I said, I'm going to use the name Rune as her last name. And she's just going to be a fun pal for Peteena to hang around with. And I might make up my own little storyline for her. I don't know that I ever made up a storyline for Peteena. But she's just going to be a friend that Peteena meets. And they'll just hang out a lot and do a lot of things together. So that's fun. And I look forward to that. And I hope you will join me on Instagram to see pictures of Rune and see what kind of outfits I come up with her. This is kind of just a casual, grungy looking outfit to me. She has on red pants and a black t-shirt with the little eye on it. And then she has tennis shoes. I guess they're called tennis shoes. They are red and black. And then I have the little shoes that I will be painting. And so I thought I'd paint a pair, like a white pair, a red pair, a black pair. And then if Zeke makes me some others, I could do like, you know, a pink pair, a blue pair, just, you know, different colors to go with different outfits. So that would be cool. I did have another shoe I was going to try on her later, but I couldn't get this all undone, and I may not be able to get it back on. All right, here we go. Thanks for joining me, and I appreciate you all so much for watching today, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, friends.